This is my iPad Pro laptop, and I want to talk to you about some cases, and we'll start with this one from ProCase right after this. Hello everybody, this is John Michael with Excel to Tech, and I'm taking it to the next level. I wanted to make this short video on this case for my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This is my new laptop. I tell you, I love it. I've been using this a lot, and I wanted to show you two cases, and I want to start off with this one. This is called the ProCase. Actually, both of them are from ProCase. This company makes these two types of cases for the iPad Pro, the 12.9 inch. And this one is more of a material cloth type of ProCase. This is more for a laptop, but it also could be used for the iPad Pros. It's material-like. This is a space gray. It also has one in all black. I particularly like the orange. This has some nice stitching right here that is just very nice and tight. It's got this leather handle, very well made, good construction. It's got this extra pocket for your stuff that you can put in there. And the inside is made out of felt, very nice, got a good padding that I think it'll give you some good added protection for the iPad Pro. Now, as you know, I have this Logitech case on it, and so this is the ideal. It's got, as you can see, my pencil there. This is ideal. Closes up very nicely. And it has a good snug fit to it. Good padding. I like this. Nice charcoal gray. Let's set this one to the side here. And so I wanted to show you this other one here because sometimes you don't want to take the keyboard, okay? I mean, this does add weight to it, so if we take this keyboard out, you went out and bought just a cover. This is a leather cover, and this is all you wanted to take with you, all right? You have this one. This is also made by ProCase. This is a synthetic leather, very nice padding. It has some felt kind of like inside of it. It fits perfectly inside, and it's a nice portfolio. I'll give you the links down on the description if you want to get this one, or you want to get this one, all right, as well. Anyway, guys, if you like these videos, give me some likes, thumbs up. Let me know if you use a case. What kind of case do you use? Do you use more of a portfolio type, or do you use more of a briefcase type? Put your comments below. Listen, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you have, let me just tell you how much I appreciate you very, very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.